Okay, tayo. Straight ahead.
A little bit, I will.
Ah, this one? Ah, that is Elizabeth.
See, because it's not an easy life.
Hi. Very high.
Hi.
The second time around in the castle. Second time in castle. With Shasha.
I will walk exercise.
Hi, exercise. Straight only. Oh, good morning. Excuse me. You like cat?
The cat, yes, I like cats.
Taas naman ito. Are you tired? Not tired? No tired? Don't. We're tired. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She is very tired. Very tired. Here. Here's the entrance. Portiga. Bravo.
Yeah, but no.
Let's go.
We are start.
Very long.
See,
On the
Yes.
top, there is.
on the top, I think.
Yes.
This is this.
Yes, the Portiga. Very long journey upstairs.
But I think not
Ah,
this,
the-
but the street.
only.
I don't know. I don't know.
on the zigzag. Thank you, ma'am. Let's go. We are very tired. No, inside.
Ah,
Yes, this. Ah, let's go. This is the Portico. This is my second time around here. Very cute lady. Very cute. Very cute child. Very cute child. Hello. Very cute. Very cute child. Very adorable. So adorable. Oh. Very nice child. Very nice child. Doon kami nang galing, oh. Pa-English pa ako dito. Pagod na yung kasama ko. Pagod na yung kasama ko, Shasha. This is Shasha, very
no,
tired.
no. Filipino people live in Milano, work.
Yes.
Many.
Too much?
Too
Too much.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Some huh? Very nice view.
Vabbè, dai, sì. È dolce, la salita è.
You also video. You take a video.
Yeah.
You also take a video, my friend. You're very nice. Hello. You also take me a video, same. You're very nice. I like Croatia. I like Shasha. I like Croatia. I like Shasha. Okay. Ito natin yung pick eh. Ah, yes. Nice view. Nice viewing. Wow. Breathtaking na naman ha. Bakit na kami? Ito yung second time ko dito sa ano. Dobro jutro. Yes. Hello. This is the entrance, sir?
Wow.
Ah, not here?
No, bye.
Before I go there. Before I go there.
Yes, I think it.
Before I go there. No entrance. Mga ka-Berks, dito na tayo sa taas. Tok-tok. Ha? Ang ganda naman dito. Shasha, you're taking picture. Shasha. We need to go inside, Miss Shasha. Inside is very good. This is our friend. Fabulous. We are here now, sir. We need to go inside the fortress. Dito tayo mga ka-Berks sa forest. Papasok na tayo. Mga ka-Berks, papasok na tayo dun sa ano, sa fortress. Ito na yung part 2. Part 2 ng pagpasok natin dito sa ano, sa fortress. Ito na yung part 2. Mukhang maganda-ganda rito mga ka-Berks. Mas maganda itong second video natin. Meron tayong tandem na vlogger. Yung katandem natin na vlogger si Miss Shasha. Miss Shasha is very tired. Hello. My co-vlogger. This is my second time around. Part 2. This is what Dobrodosli.
No,
Mani. Yep. I need to picture this one. Let's go. Granja Dradske Furchenakon. 12:18. Ha? Tinatagpa pala to ng 12 ano pa mga ka-Berks? 12:78. Good line. City started in 1278 when Habark became under the Venetian rule. Fortress with city walls represent unique defensive system. 15 a new fortress was built at place of the old one of offered protection to population who had taken refuge there during Turkish invasion. In explosion, gunpowder, depot cause of thunder. Considerably damaged fortress in 1579. It's repaired during Duke Pietro Semincolos' time. The beginning of 7th century, by building burger defensive bastion. The last army barracks were built in 1775 during the reign of Maria Teresa. Collection of amphora is located in fortress. Where are you? Let's go. Ah, I have wait. I have money there. I will take money. Wait. I will take money after I will go there inside. How much this one? I will, because my wallet, I leave there. Okay. Meron pa palang part 3 to. How much is this one? Wait. May part 3 pa pala.